Next location. Infrastructure. State-of-the-art technology.
It's time for Dos Bocas.
Dos Bocas. The time is now. The logistic and strategic center for oil industry development. The Port of Dos Bocas began operating in 1982. Its main activities were oil exports using two monobuoys and offshore operational support in the Campeche area. By the end of 2005, the multi-purpose terminal at Port of Dos Bocas was put into operations in order to give a commercial emphasis to the port by developing a new infrastructure which now allows offering 32 feet of draft. Enjoying its closeness to the principal current and future areas of oil extraction, Dos Bocas is strategically located along the Gulf of Mexico, giving it a competitive edge over other ports in the region. Currently, the port has 5 operators. Pemex Supply Terminal, a terminal for building and maintaining oil rigs, a shipyard for repairing ships, bunker diesel supply, asphalt port facility. With the help of the infrastructure developed in the last few years and from very capable dock workers, El Kuma, Lob, Sab. The stabilization of the ocean floor, integral oil rig services, including their maintenance, assembling, repair, logistical support, and imports, among other activities. The Port of Dos Bocas has 2 monobuoys moorings installed 21 kilometers offshore to provide crude oil exportation services for tankers going to different places around the world. In addition, the efficient handling of drilling fluids from the multi-use terminal. In view of all the foregoing, we would like to announce the construction startup of the Port of Dos Bocas Industrial Oil Park, which, with an extension of 70 hectares and the facilities that a strategic bonded warehouse can offer, will allow companies dedicated to the oil industry to establish themselves. The Port of Dos Bocas is the only port in Mexico that has an industrial park focusing on companies related to the oil industry in the country, with an infrastructure planned and geared towards the operations for the weights, the dimensions, and the specifications that the industry demands. Industry facilities, green areas, security, direct access to the multi-purpose terminal dock, as well as the planned distribution of areas according to the different sectors in the oil industry and its byproducts, industrial plants, drilling equipment, dangerous materials, pipe yard, drilling fluids, operations bases and facilities for logistical support, among others. Take advantage and invest in an industrial park that offers you a great location, infrastructure, and technology for today's 21st century company. It's time to win. It's time for Dos Bocas. The time is now.